May nakita ko sa TikTok, isang breakfast restaurant located sa Laysan Valley. Laysan Valley is a business park with fine dining restaurants in between. The restaurant originated sa Kuwait na kilala naman sa pagdadala ng mga international brands here in the Khalij area. The name of the restaurant is Lazy Cat. Sa mga reviews, masarap daw yung Japanese pancake nila sa yung truffle pizza. So I tried. Sige, try natin. Kaya pala mahal yung truffle kasi ang sarap, may umami feeling pag kinain mo. Yung Japanese pancake nila, 45 minutes bago i-serve and sulit talaga yung paghihintay mo. May kasama siyang sundae, vanilla sundae that parang timer mo para maubos. Ayan, tinry ko na rin Bella or Spanish latte nila. Hindi available yung blue matcha nila which is the popular one. Ayan, may take out pa ako kasi busog ako. The area has more attractions na mga fountains. So, you better try this one.